In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to India using the Wise platform effectively and efficiently. We'll go through each step of the process, ensuring you understand every detail needed to complete your transaction smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening the Wise app or website, depending on your preference. Once you're in, locate and click on the Send option, which is typically highlighted or easily accessible on the main dashboard. This is the gateway to transferring your funds to the desired recipient. Next, let's change the recipient's currency to Indian rupee since we are planning to send money to India. Wise allows you to send money across various countries and currencies, so it's essential to select the correct one to avoid any discrepancies during the transaction. Now, let's move on to entering the amount of money you wish to send. Carefully input the sum, ensuring there's no mistake. It's worthwhile to double-check since this step determines how much your recipient will eventually receive. After you've set the amount, your next task is to select the payment method. Wise offers different ways to fund your transfer, giving you flexibility and convenience. Select the option that best suits your situation. Whether it's through a bank transfer, debit card, or other available methods, choose the one that aligns with your financial planning. As we're completing these steps, remember that you can also adjust the arrival time here. This feature is handy if you have a specific timeline in mind for when the recipient should receive the funds. Additionally, Wise gives you the ability to set a schedule for sending your money. This is particularly useful if you want to plan your budget and manage recurring transfers efficiently. Now, before proceeding further, take a look at the total fees and taxes. Wise provides a transparent view of what you'll be charged, so you're never caught off guard by hidden costs. This insight helps you make informed decisions about your transaction. Once you're comfortable with everything you've set so far, the next step is to click Add Recipient. Here, you can choose to send money via UPI or through traditional bank account transfers. Search using their email, phone number, or, if you prefer, their bank details for a more direct deposit. In this example, we'll proceed by clicking Add Bank Details. After that, choose someone else as the recipient type and enter their bank details accurately. Double-check this information to avoid any errors that could delay the transfer. After entering all the necessary details, click Continue. This step lets you review all of the information you've entered so far. It's the final checkpoint to ensure nothing's amiss before completing your transaction. Review everything carefully, and once you're confident that everything is correct, click Pay to send your money. There you have it. With these simple steps, you can send money to India using Wise confidently and securely. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.